In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Excel to Wrike, a powerful project management tool that many teams utilize for efficiency and collaboration. Let's dive in and walk you through this process step by step, ensuring that you're able to seamlessly transfer your data without any hiccups. First, we need to navigate to the Wrike dashboard, specifically to the project or file where you wish to export your data. If you're familiar with the Wrike interface, this should be straightforward. Once you're logged into your Wrike account, head over to the workspace. Your projects should be organized within folders or spaces, making it easy to locate the data you wish to work with. This is an important step, as ensuring you're in the right location will save you time and confusion later on. Once you've located the desired project, it's time to proceed with exporting. Look for the three-dot menu, often referred to as the Options or More Actions menu. This is typically found towards the top of the screen, near the project title or within the area where project details are displayed. Clicking on these three dots will open up a drop-down menu that provides a host of options related to the project. Now from this drop-down menu, you'll see an option that says Export Project to Excel. Selecting this option sets the groundwork for the actual export process. Choosing this will trigger Wrike to prepare your project data, converting it into a format that's compatible with Excel. This is incredibly useful for those who prefer analyzing data or creating reports in Excel, as it offers robust functionalities for data manipulation. Next, you'll need to click on Export to Excel. This step finalizes the export process by generating an Excel file that you can download and save onto your device. Make sure you know exactly where you want to save this file on your computer so it's easy to access later when you want to use it with Excel. The downloading process may take a moment, depending on the size of your project data and your internet speed. Also, a quick tip. If you're managing multiple projects, it's a good practice to name your downloaded files clearly to avoid any mix-ups later. Naming conventions such as including the project name and date can help keep your exported files organized and easy to find. And there you have it. You've just exported your data from Wrike into Excel smoothly and efficiently. This method not only ensures that your data remains intact, but also provides the flexibility to utilize Excel's powerful analytical tools. We hope this guide has been helpful to you, and that you feel more confident navigating the export features within Wrike. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best in managing your projects.